how to cut your print if your print is, for example, too big. There are multiple ways. It is easy. Go to the bar on top and pick this one. You can either choose the planer or dovetail. Let's start with the dovetail. You can play with the height or all the rotation with X, Y, and Z. Let's just change it back to 45 in height. And then and as you can see, here I have a slider that when I have printed it, I can slide it in place and glue it together. Easy, but there are other ways to do it. You go back to the same button, and now we choose mode planar, and we can immediately just perform a cut if we don't want to adjust the height. Here you can see it's straight, but again, you would have to glue it in place in one way or another. Then we can try planar again, but with a connector. You can choose between a plug, as you can see, a double snap, or the last thing is thread. When you've chosen, just click where you want the connector to be. And when it's in place, you have to push confirm connectors if you don't want to change the parameters, that's to say. And there you have it, perform cut. And now we can screw it into place when you've printed your model. So it's this easy. Good luck with your next print. Hope it helps.